It is 9 a.m. I'm so tired. Like, I forced myself to wake up. I'm gonna cook some food for my husband when he gets back home from work. He works so early. He goes to work. He went to work. Well, he starts at 4:30 and he's off at 12 something. So yeah, I'm gonna be cooking his favorite food. So come along with me. Yeah, I think so. Let's go. Okay, I'm making 2 different side dishes. Oh yeah. I need to cut the vegetables. Let's go. Okay, I put some olive oil and then salt and pepper. So let this pan fry for a bit to soften the carrots. I'll start cutting the onions. Guys. Spicy. I couldn't find regular, like the white mushrooms, the tiny ones, but this will work fine. Now let's cut the meat. It's beef chunk roll slice. I don't like touching raw meat with like bare hands. I don't know. It grosses me out. Separating the slices, so when I cook it, it'll be evenly cooked, not just in clumps. I made the marinated sauce, so I put the recipe somewhere around here. Here it is. Y'all, everyone, this smells so good. Everything's homemade, like the sauce. Oh, the sauce is so good. Okay, I cut all the vegetables and tofu. Okay, I added 2 tablespoons of this, and then I did 1 tablespoon of the gochujang. There we go. I'm gonna add in my vegetables now. Oh boy. Now just let it boil. Finally done, and it's now 11:03. Smells so good. So yeah, I spent a good almost 2 hours cooking. Yeah, I was trying to cook and record at the same time. I need a tripod so I can cook faster and not just... Yeah, so thanks for watching, and hopefully it tastes good. Well, I followed a good recipe, so it smells good. Thanks for watching. Bye.